Welcome back to day 60 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving into advanced data visualization techniques using Seaborn and Matplotlib. Whether you're aiming to create stunning, publication-ready plots or visualize geographical data, today's session has got you covered. Let's jump right in. Seaborn makes it incredibly easy to create complex visualizations with just a few lines of code. Let's start by exploring a Violin plot combined with a swarm plot to visualize the distribution of data across categories. In just a few lines, we combined a Violin plot with a swarm plot, giving us a detailed view of the distribution and individual data points. Seaborn's power lies in its simplicity and elegance. When preparing your visualizations for publication, it's important to fine-tune every detail. Let's customize a Matplotlib plot for a polished, professional appearance. Notice how we use different fonts, labels, and layout adjustments to create a plot ready for publication. The tight_layout function ensures nothing overlaps, and saving with high DPI ensures clarity. Geographical data visualizations are increasingly important in data science. Let's use Python to create a map showing data distribution across different regions. Using Geopandas, we can easily visualize geographical data. Here, we've highlighted Brazil on the world map, but you can adapt this to show data across multiple regions or countries. And that's it for day 60. Today, we explored complex visualizations with Seaborn, customized Matplotlib plots for publication, and even visualized geographical data. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Python insights, and join us tomorrow for day 61. Happy coding!